I'm Candace Keller, Associate Professor of African Art and Visual Culture. My research focuses on photography in West Africa, particularly in Mali. Through talking with all of these photographers and also their families, the physical preservation of the archives was a big concern. They're kept in cardboard boxes. And the other concern was that dealers, collectors, curators, and in some cases even scholars borrow the negatives and go to another country. They are printed. There are exhibitions without permission. It's a form of theft, exploitation. And so as a means to try and address these issues, in this project it's called the Archive of Malian Photography. We've processed over 100,000 negatives from 5 archives, scanning, digitization. They're housed in archival safe paper envelopes and boxes now. They're cataloged. It's a huge partnership between folks in Mali and MSU. We're working on an exhibition in Mali.
Vraiment intéressant, c'est un moment pour montrer, comme je l'ai dit au public malien, l'importance de ces archives, comment ces photographes ont été témoins de cette époque, comment ils ont travaillé pour nous, la nouvelle génération.
What I like most about this project is it truly is an American and a Malian project. It really underscores what we can do when we work together.
It was important that the archives never leave Mali. The project also deposits a collection at the Maison Africaine de la Photographie so that anyone can come in and access. I'd like to raise awareness about this problem of unethical practice. We should care about the cultural preservation and protection of intellectual property with regard to photography too.
I'm not a photographer, but this is my heritage. This is the archive for the future generation.
These images tell a different narrative. They can present a different story from an African perspective about African realities, which I think we really need in order to be better world citizens.